Hey everyone! Today we're tackling a classic calculus problem that combines differentiation, integration, and curve sketching. If you are prepping for your finals or just trying to survive AP Calculus, this one's for you. We are going to find constants, calculate a shaded area, and hunt down a minimum gradient. Step 1. We need to find A and B. Looking at the graph, these are our stationary points. To find them, we need the derivative, dy over dx. First, let's expand the equation to make life easier. Our original function is y equals 4x times the quantity x minus 9, all squared. After expanding, it becomes y equals 4x cubed minus 72x squared plus 324x. Now let's differentiate. 4x cubed becomes 12x squared. Negative 72x squared becomes negative 144x. Finally, 324x becomes 324. So our first derivative would be dy over dx equals 12x squared minus 144x plus 324. At stationary points, the gradient is 0, so we set our derivative 12x squared minus 144x plus 324 equal to 0. Let's divide the whole thing by 12 to simplify. So we end up with x squared minus 12x plus 27 equals 0. Now we can factor our function to find our stationary points. After factoring, we can see that it gives us x equals 3 and x equals 9. Looking at our graph, the maximum happens first at b equals 3, and the minimum, where the curve touches the x-axis, is at a equals 9. Step 2. The area. The shaded region goes from the origin, x equals 0, to the minimum point, x equal 9. In calculus, area equals the definite integral. So, area equals the integral from 0 to 9 of the function 4x cubed minus 72x squared plus 324x dx. Let's integrate term by term. 4x cubed becomes x to the 4th power. 72x squared becomes 24x cubed. Finally, 324x becomes 162x squared. So our integral is x to the 4th power minus 24x cubed plus 162x squared, all to be evaluated from 0 to 9. Now, we plug in our limits. Since the lower limit is 0, we just need to calculate for 9. 9 to the 4th power minus 24 times 9 cubed plus 162 times 9 squared. So the area is 2,187 square units. Finally, Part D asks for the minimum value of the gradient. This is a common trick question. They aren't asking for the minimum y value. They want the lowest value of dy over dx. To find the minimum of anything in calculus, you take its second derivative, d the square y over dx squared, and set it to 0. For the first term, 12x squared will be 24x. For the second term, 144x will be 144. As for the last term, 324 will be 0. So d squared y over dx squared equals 24x minus 144. Set that to 0. 24x minus 144 equals 0, which means x equals 6. Now plug x equals 6 back into the first derivative, or gradient formula, to find the actual value. 12 times 6 squared minus 144 times 6 plus 324. This is equal to negative 108. So the steepest downward slope on this curve is negative 108. And there you have it. A equals 9, B equals 3, area equals 2,187, and min gradient equals negative 108. If this helped you understand the question, hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. See you in the next one.